That thing makes life a little bit easier when getting the front end off. Certainly easier than lifting it off by hand. That's a recipe for, well, back pain. And time to work on the driver's side kick panel. Last time we did this right hand repair. This time I've got the whole kick panel to replace on account of the fact that I've already cut it out. Back then I kind of thought I was going to keep the original floor. I had made this piece, which I've kind of used some of for the other part. I might use the curved bit at the bottom, but I don't think it's quite wide enough. So, brand new piece of steel. I showed you how the bead rolling machine is going to work to replicate this type deal. I've seen people do all kinds of different things. They'll put like a nice bead around it and all that kind of thing. It's hot rodding though, and I fancy just having the little bead rolled parts. So I can't get the finished panel in the bead roller, given that the throat of it isn't wide enough. So it's going to have to be two sections. I'm going to have to do a piece similar to what I did here at the bottom, and then a flat piece which will be bead rolled in. Weld that all in nicely, get that done, and then these pieces need patching in. I'll have to offer up the steering column again, bit of clean up on the bulkhead, and then once that's done, that signifies the end of all of the repairs to this truck. So that's all I've really been focused on. Apart from paint, repairs to the bodywork have taken a very long time, to get complete. So once that's done, I can start working on all kinds of other exciting things, which is what the whole thing is about. I haven't really explained that, but the whole point of this project is to promote Rockhard Limited, my design and fabrication business, and kind of showcase the design and fabrication, what I can do, together with some of the microprocessor stuff. A lot of it's fun, but it is to promote the business. That's the primary reason for having the truck.
places. Hold my hand and call on my name. We'll go to a land where our hearts can stay. I can see you falling, reaching for a grip. Come with me, I'm rising and I'll never let you slip, no.
Well, that's the kick panel welded into place. It's going to take a little bit of filler. Probably a couple of little spots of weld I've missed. Looking pretty good. This is how I decided to finish it on this side. Kind of matching how it would have been originally. I've got to do the same thing on the other side there. Bit of seam sealer on the structure here. Stop the crap getting in. Pretty happy with how it's looking, actually. Really pleased with that. A little bit more grinding, perhaps. See if I can get these patches cut in.
We're not lonely in the dark. I know you are with me, yeah. Don't you see that I need you so much? Don't you see that I love you so much? Oh na 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 na, oh na 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 na, darling, I need your love. Oh na 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 na, oh na 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 na, darling, I need your love.
Feels like most of my steel is now in powder form. But making progress is always a good idea. It gets to a point with working on this stuff. I've worked flat out since 7:30 this morning. It's now 3 in the afternoon. I really wanted to get everything done on fabrication, and I just ran out of steam, started to make little mistakes and being slapdash. But I'm really, really pleased with that kick panel. I really like the way those beads look, even though they are a little bit wavy. I feel it is in keeping with the style of the truck. And it's the first time I've done beads as well on a hand roller. I cut that out, marked where the centre of the column needs to be, ready for next time. I'll make a really nice job of that when I come to that. I've just got this little piece to remake, just about an hour and a half's work really in total probably, and then finish grinding out. I'm going to do some cleaning and then I'll be all done. Well, that's it for another day working on the GMC. As always, I want to tell you that I really appreciate all the support. I love the comments. I try and reply to all of them if I can. Got that kick panel installed, completely replaced that one. Did it in 2 pieces because I wanted to be able to B-roll it and my B-roller ain't big enough. But it kind of worked out all right. It's going to get some, I think it's going to be a skim of fiberglass filler on those pieces because I really want to get some nice paint on these, you know. Still haven't 100% decided what colour paint I'm going to use. So I'm not planning to use the truck very much, so I'm thinking about reusing this cylinder for the fuel tank. Just plumb it into the top and take up a lot less space than that big bulky thing I had before.